Focusing full steam here with my large Carrot solar powered flame liquor type engine. You see it's a beam. It's got a little bit of power. I made a pulley for it real quick. Little brass one there. 2 stages. Running my Baker fan at a pretty good clip. And this took off pretty much right out of the box. I haven't done anything to it but put a flame under it. As far as Chinese solar engine goes, it's a little bit on the larger side. Really neat action. Everybody says it'll run for quite a while without a flame under it. We'll see. It's got a load under it. It's barely even warm. This is the cap for that flame right there. Got a lot of sustaining power, that's for sure. Wow. Since it's got sealed ball bearings and the stanchions here, I assume these oil cups are just for show. I think it's been about a minute without a flame. That's it. Really pretty flywheel too. Very nice. Bye now.